Good morning, dear friends. First, I would like to thank you all for giving me the opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Amit Kamal Redmi of class 7 of Sri LG Haria School, Jamnagar. Before I share my experience, I would like to thank our Honorable Principal Sri Dhaval Pat sir for giving the opportunity to learn through this program. And I also thank our teacher for teaching through this program. The Ramakrishna Mission was established on 1st May 1897. Today I am going to tell on topic of courage. By this, everyone knows that courage is inside them, but they don't want to get it out, and you need to build it obviously. Or people who are afraid like me. In 5th grade, I have a stage fear and it a stammer in a topic. But now I am stammering less and I can speak with you openly. Many people came to our school to express in topic of courage, and this experience and learning I got from the Awaken Citizen program. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arvalin Basia. I am from Sheljiharia School, Jamnagar. I am very much impressed by this ACP program. I have learned a lot with the help of this program. Module being heroic. Being heroic is not just to be a hero, but it also teaches us how to face challenges that comes in your life, and also how can we awaken our heroic spirit in our day-to-day life. One more important thing that I have learned from this program is living in harmony in family, in locality, and in school. I find a lot of changes within me after attending this program. I am thankful to one and all who are a part of this SEP program. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Palak Paradia from Sri LG Haria School. First, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to our principal Sri Dhaval Bhatt sir, as well as our teachers to give me a golden opportunity to learn this wonderful program. That is an Awaken Citizen program. From this program, I have learned that how to go out of problems in our life, how to live in harmony, and I have also learned that how to live life peacefully. I have learned these all values from Awaken Citizen program, and I have also learned that how to help people during their difficulties. For all of this, I would like to say thanks again to our principal Sri Dhaval Bhatt sir and our teachers. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Mahi Nilesh Pai Trivedi from Standard 7. I am from Sri LG Area School. Today I am going to share my experience with you. But before that, I am thankful to our principal, Dhaval Bhatt sir, who has introduced a unique subject, that is Awaken Citizen program. And I am also thankful to our teachers for showing the living path of a life through the medium of Awaken Citizen program. I am living in a society, and one time there was a fight between my house and my neighborhood. After that, my family members told me that you don't have to play or stay with them. But I think that we are living in this society, then why we fight? Why not be stay friendly with them? So the point is that we don't have to fight with anyone, even they are poor, rich, low caste or high caste. We have to stay friendly with all, and we have to help them in their difficulties. I have learned this from Awaken Citizen program. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today, with fast moving and technical world, it sometimes seems difficult to grow from inside out. True guidance is like a small torch in a dark forest. It doesn't show everything once, but give enough light for the next step to be safe. I'm Kunj Thakkar from class 7 from Sri LG Haria School. Have been attending a Vacant Citizen program from last 6. Yes, I can say that this program worked like a torch in my life. In that, my favorite possibility was being heroic. I love being heroic because from that I get the heroic spirit. In that, like one example also. In that example, two young boys was teasing one small boy and one girl was passing from them. She show and she go there and she go and stand in front of that small boy and fight with that two boys. Before attending the session, I haven't feared to go out anywhere alone. But after attending that, I cannot have any fear to go out alone anywhere. Never, at last, I would like to say that never be weak. You must be strong. You have an infinite power within you. Thank you.
Morning to my dear friends. My name is Rakhalia Soumya from class of 7th of Sri L.G. Haria School, Jamnagar. Firstly, I would like to thanks to our principal sir, Dhaval Bhatt sir, to give me the opportunity to learn the Awaken Citizen program. I would also like to thanks to our teacher for teaching us how to improve the living quality through this program. Today I will share one example from this program. Previously I found maths is difficult subject. I got very less marks in maths. But after attending this program my confidence boosted up and I believe that yes, I can do. In this program, we learned many universal possibilities that lies inside all of us. This program is very useful in our lifestyle and in our daily routine. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I myself Mangameti from Sri L.G. Haria School studying in Standard 7th. Today I am hereby going to share my views regarding Awaken Citizen program introduced by our respected principal Dhaval Bhatt sir. I am thankful to our principal who had introduced this new subject. The name of the subject is Awaken Citizen Program, and I am also thankful to our teachers for teaching us that how you can improve your living quality through the Awaken Citizen Program. I am attending the class of ACP from Standard 6th, and the class of ACP is very interesting and knowledgeable. This program gives us a lot of motivations which help us to face any situation of our life. Practice makes man perfect. The meaning of this proverb is that to become perfect, practice is the only way to achieve success. This small proverb explains us so many things, and I learned this small proverb from the class of ACP in the topic Seeking Perfection. Like wish, I like to do many things, but the most favorite one is drawing. Firstly, I was not perfect to making drawings. I used to feel very sad for not drawing pictures perfectly, but after attending the lecture of Seeking Perfection, in that I learned that no one is perfect. Each and everyone needs practice to become perfect. By getting motivations from the lecture of Seeking Perfection, I started practicing more and more to improve my hobby. This helped me to improve my work with best. And today I am going to show you some of my pictures which I had made after attending the lecture of Seeking Perfection. And this is how my drawings are looking like after attending the lecture of Seeking Perfection. And last but not the least, I would like to say that each and everyone should keep this proverb in their mind to motivate ourselves and to achieve our goals. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Kavya Dholakia from Sri L.G. Haria School. I am here to share my experience of ACP program. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Principal Sri Dhaval Bhatt sir and our teachers for creating an amazing platform of learning ACP program. At first, I was not paying attention to physical activities, but after attending the program, I realized the importance of physical activities and I started playing physical activities too. This is very interesting program and it awakens the possibility very nicely by explaining us the real life examples. Thank you.